In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete messages on Quora. More accurately, I'll show you what's actually possible with Quora's messaging system and how you can hide and mute conversations so they're out of your way. First, open your browser and go to the Quora website. Make sure you're signed into the account where you receive the messages you want to manage. Once you're logged in, you should land on your main Quora dashboard where you see your feed of questions, answers, and recommendations. Next, look towards the top right corner of the page. You'll see your profile picture or a small icon that represents your account. Click on that profile icon. This opens a drop-down menu with several options related to your account and settings. From that drop-down, click on the option labeled Messages. This will take you to your Quora Messages inbox. Here, you'll see a list of all your recent conversations, similar to a typical chat or email interface. Now, this is important. Quora does not currently allow you to permanently delete individual messages or entire conversations from their system. Instead, the platform gives you tools to hide and mute conversations. Hiding removes the conversation from your main view, and muting stops notifications. But the conversation can reappear if the other person messages you again. So think of this more as cleaning up your inbox and reducing distractions, rather than truly deleting the data. To start managing a conversation, click on the chat you want to clean up from the list on the left side of the messages page. This opens the full conversation thread on the right. Once the conversation is open, look to the top right corner of that chat window. You should see a small icon with 3 dots, often called the More Options or Menu button. Click on those 3 dots to reveal additional actions you can take on this conversation. From the menu that appears, choose Mute Conversation. Muting is helpful if you don't want to receive further notifications from this chat, especially if it's spammy or no longer relevant. After you mute it, you'll still be able to see past messages, but you won't be alerted about new ones. Finally, in that same options area, click on Hide. This will remove the conversation from your main messages list, helping you keep your inbox tidy. Remember, if the person sends you a new message in the future, the conversation may become visible again.